Life-changing affirmations. Program your mind for positive change every day. What you repeatedly tell yourself becomes your reality. This is not just a video. This is mental programming. Each word you hear will plant powerful seeds in your mind. Walk with it, sit with it, soak it in. This is the new story of your life. Let's begin. I am in charge of my thoughts. I choose to think better. I release fear and welcome faith. I let go of doubt. I believe in my future. I know that progress is happening. I am not stuck, I'm evolving. I make powerful decisions. I am the author of my life. Every day is a fresh start. I can handle whatever comes. I choose calm over chaos. I choose progress over perfection. I'm becoming more focused. I'm becoming more peaceful. I'm becoming more me. I allow growth to happen now. I show up with intention today. I treat my body with love and respect. I move daily to stay strong and energized. I am getting healthier every day. I choose foods that fuel my body. My body is healing. My body is my ally. Every cell in me is alive with energy. I feel vibrant. I rest when needed and rise with strength. I breathe deeply. I drink water and stay refreshed. I am pain-free. I am inflammation-free. I take care of myself fully. My health supports my mission. I am grateful for this amazing body. I am connected to a higher power. God is guiding me. I walk by faith, not by sight. I am never alone. I am protected. I am chosen for a purpose. I speak with love and truth. I release what I can't control. I trust the timing of my life. Miracles are unfolding around me. I am led by divine wisdom. My life is a testimony in the making. I walk in peace. I am deeply loved. I trust, I surrender, I receive. I attract opportunities that serve me. I am aligned with abundance. Money flows to me through honest work. I am a magnet for success. I make wise financial choices. I deserve wealth, and I use it well. I provide massive value to others. Wealth allows me to help and heal. I am disciplined in my finances. My income is always growing. I think like the wealthy. I earn, save, and invest wisely. I use money to build freedom. I am rich in purpose. I am ready to receive. I don't need to rush. I trust the process. I allow silence to guide me. I slow down to gain clarity. I am clear-minded. I make time for what matters. I stay grounded. I don't absorb other people's chaos. I protect my peace. I am still, and I know. Every breath resets my energy. I let go of pressure. I give myself grace. I choose peace over pressure. I am light, calm, and steady. I show up every day. I keep my word to myself. I finish what I start. I get things done, one step at a time. I build habits that build me. I follow through even when it's hard. I am consistent. I rise early. I move forward. I get better through action. I don't wait, I start. I keep climbing. I take responsibility. I lead myself first. I do what I said I would do. Discipline is my path to freedom. I give love freely and receive it fully. I am present with the people I love. I listen with my heart. I speak with kindness. I attract healthy relationships. I forgive quickly and fully. I set boundaries with love. I am open and honest. I show appreciation often. I uplift others by being myself. I am surrounded by love. I bring peace into every room. I value the people in my life. I create safe space for others. I love and I am loved. I am here for a reason. My life matters. I wake up with purpose. I follow what lights me up. My work serves others. I create from my soul. I am building something meaningful. My purpose unfolds every day. I say yes to purpose, no to distractions. I let go of comparison. I am here to grow, serve, and shine. Every action aligns with my calling. I live with intention. I make a difference. I am enough. I am thankful for this moment. I find joy in the small things. I see beauty around me. I have everything I need. I celebrate how far I've come. I am thankful for today. I honor the gift of life. I feel blessed. I find peace where I am. I stop chasing and start appreciating. My heart is full of gratitude. I live in the now. I savor this breath. I rest in the present. Life is good right now. I am becoming who I was born to be. I let go of the old and rise as the new. I'm no longer defined by the past. I'm being rewritten daily. I carry hope into the future. I'm proud of who I'm becoming. I walk in strength. I live with heart. I am aligned, awake, and alive. I carry light wherever I go. I welcome all that's coming. I am the change. I am the breakthrough. I am the peace I seek. I am the answer I've been waiting for. I am a creative force. Ideas flow through me with ease. I see possibilities where others see limits. I allow myself to imagine big. I trust my creative instincts. I turn inspiration into action. I am bold in my vision. I am not afraid to be different. I express my gifts freely. I am limitless in what I can create. I am an innovator. My imagination is a superpower. I bring new things into the world. I see it. I believe it. I build it. I was born to create. I rise stronger after every challenge. I am braver than my doubts. I face discomfort with calm. I grow through adversity. I bend, but I don't break. I speak even when my voice shakes. I act even when I'm scared. I trust myself to overcome. I am not my fear, I am my fire. I hold the line when it matters. I don't quit, I adapt. I take the hit, learn the lesson, and keep going. I am resilient. I am unshakable. I was built for this. This is my new story, and it's just getting started. Listen to this daily. Repetition is how we rewire the mind. The more you hear it, the more you believe it. And the more you believe it, the more you become it. Come back to this every day and watch your life transform. Hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll catch you on the next one. Because when you take action, it worked.